Hey guys, Tuesday, February 18, 2025. Let's see what the Black Widow wants to do today. So far, it looks like this is holding. I was thinking that it was gonna flush down. I mean, I could be right, but there are signs that maybe it might pull up. We'll go over it. Keep an eye on volume. Volume is going to be very key for today. If the volume is to the upside, then obviously it's going to continue. A lot of support here. We need a break 357.58 with force, and you need to see volume push lower. I mean, it's probably going to get down to at least, 339, 343, your midpoint. But if you put size in a contract going down, you'll get a nice chunk. Don't expect it to go, I mean, it could, but don't expect it to go all the way down to 299 today. Not like that. Let's look at simple glance. We're still holding the 50, which is key, in the 20. You're above the mobile, but the MACD looks like it's about to turn, but the 4-hour is starting to get positive. So this is the tricky part. The data looks like it wants to turn. A couple of indicators, TD9, that maybe they could be a turn. But the 4-hour is looking a little bit positive. So you got to be very cautious. This is one of those things you just got to, it's quick instincts, watching price action pattern, and then just, execute. Let's look at, here's an example. Look at the 4-hour. The 4-hour now is starting to get positive here. But we need to break above 362, 364 to get some Momo to the upside. So far, the 4-hour is looking good. It's in a very oversold area. So this is, you don't want to short into this. I was hoping, well, not hoping. See, I caught myself. I was waiting for it to go quiet and then in the US or in the overnight, just start pushing in and getting stops, but it didn't play that. It's not doing that kind of pattern. The hour, as you can see, this is the US 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Here's when it went up, down, up, fail new low. So it looks like it wants to go higher. PPS buy signal already. Picked it at 1 a.m. This is the 5-minute. So that's just like buyers, unless they're going to flush it. But so far, as of right now, it looks like it wants to go higher. Let's look at our midpoint chart. Let's look at the 4. The 4 is the one that's giving us the most clue. See, this is your midpoint right here, 357. Bouncing off the linear regression channels is just kind of oscillating here. But so far, the Hekanashi has turned. So do I have Hekanashi here? This is regular candle. Let's see. Regular candles already. The trend is already turning up. And the Hekanashi, yeah. So it looks like it wants to go higher. So even though the MACD is still negative, once it starts digging in, and it's just going to be a matter of time where volume is going to, pop to the upside. But if not, if it goes down, it needs to take out all these lows, and it needs to be strong volume going down if it's a trap. So far, it looks like it wants to go higher. So you got a target of 390, 369 as of right now. 369. 369 is your midpoint for the month on the daily chart. And over here is your 75%. The hourly, you're holding this pretty good. So fail new low. The hourly is looking good. So you got a target of 363. Anywhere between 363. Let's see. 363 to the high here of 365. And 367 to your midpoint of 371. These are like extreme targets to the upside. It's to the downside. Remember, we need to push and be way far away from 355. If it's a short thing, wait for it to like retest this in the US session because it's going to try to do it. And this is where you want to pounce and put your stop somewhere around there. It's either it's going to do it or not. But here in the US session, it might do a dip and then reverse maybe one more time, or just continue going up. Just get some stops and start trending higher. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on that gas.